brick, she wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect.
Y'all, Yanni got me out at a fucking turtle race.
That's why. No, because legit turtles are actually pretty.
Race of the season, the inaugural race. Let's show them again. Let's get better. How's everybody doing? Welcome out. This is the inaugural race of season 15. Is that right? Oh yeah. I get confused and say the koozie says 15, so 15 years of doing this. Even though we've done this for 15 years, we're still getting new faces. How many first timers we have tonight? Awesome. Well, I'm going to be your host tonight with your We do have new turtles this year, so we're going to be getting those names. But first, that's a quick start. My guys, Reagan from Bono, let's cheer on. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, motherfucking feel this shit, boy. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla see that bitch pull up, corn sending pie and they fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping on that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Being free, but we run dirty. Run with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot back, so I step in curry. Like a bitch, nigga, show my mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like sexy, why you hurt me? Took him down off the yerky. When you give me, put that dick all on my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this back vibe. Little bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla see that bitch pull up, corn sending pie and they fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping on that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks.
it's like him.
Bitches big, sexy, I'm the chosen one. I drop a bag on your head, I got a lot of fun. And I got them shooters in the cut, they got a lot of guns. Put my little nigga on your ass, he gon' blam some. You know I swear that bitch like an ass fuck. I'm like Hellcat, got off the line and make the engine fart. Don't put your trust in me, pussy nigga, I'ma break your heart. Young turn bitch, when I pull up, that's when the party starts. In the booty club, standing on the couch, doing beat.
I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make it go vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lemon, sliding in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. See my brother sitting mud with me. My bitch is a 10, my jet in the wind. I fucked at the wind. My dog just caught another.
Hey y'all, it's been a minute, but we're heading out. Actually, I don't think y'all know that Nebe is here. She's in Houston.
Until further notice.
we're about to go. This is the fit. I'm wearing this thrifted little lingerie. This is thrifted too. My boots were gifted. They are from Chinese Laundry. Babe is eating her dinner. Did she look?
Look who's back together, guys. Your favorite duo.
Hey y'all, so I just made a purchase. Got a new computer. I've been needing this forever. And now I can do my vlogs. Shout out to Nigga Nay for bringing me. See y'all things.
Pardon me, I've been acting a little po. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, I've been acting a little po. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, still acting the store. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, still been at the store. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, still been standing at the store. Carbon sitting on the seat and the floor. Carbon sitting on the seat and the floor. Barking, I put that knife on your throat. Torture, I'ma step out of that hole. Walking designer, head down to the toe. Manuscript club, I do it. Hit on that dope, she'll go. Smashing that dope, she'll go. Feeling like an igloo now. Goons ready to hit you now.
Bring the big F out the house. Let a fuck nigga know who really get found. 400,000 right now. 400,000 on me right now. Pull up on scene, tryna hit it right now. I wrap the Bentley in snow. Pull up at the house, she waiting outside. Little bitch is ready to go.